Hello friends! Welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory!
Today we will see vehicles and their sounds. Vehicles can move and make fun noises. This is a fire truck. Fire truck is red. Fire truck goes na-na. This is an ambulance. Ambulance helps sick people. Ambulance goes wee-woo. This is a train. Train moves on tracks. Train goes choo-choo. This is a car. Car drives on the road. Car goes vroom vroom. This is a bike. Bike has two wheels. Bike goes brum brum. Vehicles are fun with sounds. Sounds make learning exciting. Let us see the vehicles again. Fire truck, ambulance, train, car, bike. Let us clap for vehicles and their sounds. Clap, clap, clap.
Bye-bye, little one.
Bye, bye.
Learning is fun! Thank you for watching! See you again at Mom and Me Fun Factory!